makeup is really fun to apply, but it needs to be very long lasting because actors wear their makeup for an extended period of time and they're under bright lights. We always recommend a beautiful base makeup, starting with primer, going to a foundation all over the face. And then my favorite type of concealer is a foundation stick that you can use on any single part of your skin for extra coverage. You can also use a color corrector pen just to kind of highlight around the eye, under the cheekbone, above the brow, and down the center of the nose. Always setting with a loose translucent powder and setting with a fan brush. Stage makeup looks best when there's accurate and adequate contours. So I recommend a contour kit, matte-based bronzers, and press it where the sun would naturally define you. So cheekbone, around the face, and neck and chest. You can also hit the sides of your nose.